Hello everyone, I'm back again. Just out on my patio looking around. It's been raining for the last couple of days, so I hadn't had a chance to take a look at everybody, but I'm gonna go out here on the deck, take a look at my plants out here. This is my bell pepper plant. I have a second round of bell peppers. They're a bit small, but I'll take it. My lemon and lime trees are sitting out here. It's a bit misty, so I'm gonna go back on the patio. These are my leftover seedlings that I had not planted yet. I think I will plant these in the house. It's my that's my cilantro. Peppermint didn't do well. My jalapeno mild peppers are doing good. And my rosemary. I had one seedling to grow, so I put that seedling in my raised bed over here. This is week 2 that my seedlings have been in this raised bed. Everybody's looking good. There's my rosemary right there that I put in this raised bed. I set this container outside to get some rainwater yesterday. So it's my spinach, radish, beets, cilantro, lettuce, kale, and jalapeno peppers. So I'm excited. Everybody looks good and healthy. No complaints here. The legginess doesn't look too bad at all. So I'm just going to keep on keeping on. And thank you guys for stopping by. Like and subscribe.